Good evening po, ma'am. I am your student nurse for today. I am Ann Margaret H. Garcia. So, pwede ko po bang matanong yung pangalan ninyo?
My name is Wilfredo Cruz.
Kailan po kayo pinanganak?
March 7, 2013.
Okay, pwede ko po bang ma-check yung ID band ninyo? Okay, thank you so much po. So, for today po, ma'am, gagawin natin yung assessment na pagpapalit ng inyong linens para po ma-ensure na yung pinaghihigaan ninyo is safe at free from any microorganism po. So, before po tayo mag-start ng procedure, this will involve po some touching ng parts ng inyong body at imumove ko po kayo. So, may pain po ba kayo nararamdaman yun? Any injuries or pangangati po ng inyong likod?
Wala.
Okay po. So, mag-start na po tayo sa dalaw ng body natin. So, ngayon po, ma'am, imumove po natin yung body nyo, patagilid po. Is it okay po if hawak ko yung body nyo?
Yes.
Okay, so move lang po tayo in 1, 2, 3. Okay po. Then after po nyan, ilalagay po natin yung blanket para po ma-provide pa rin po yung privacy. Okay, so next naman po is tatanggalin po natin yung linens dahil po marami na pong bacteria yung nandito po. Then after po ma'am, ilalagay na po natin yung pads dito. Okay? So ilalagay naman po natin ma'am yung clean linens para po mapalitan yung dati po. Kaya naman po, sa kabilang side naman po kayo. Tatanggalin na natin yung pinaka-dirty linen po. So, ngayon po, itatabi na po muna natin ito sa gilid. Then, iayos na po na natin yung pad at saka yung pinaka-linen. Yung linen. Ibabalik ko na po kayo. Okay, balik na po. So, ngayon po, tapos na po yung ating assessment para sa pagpapalit na ating linen. So, i-dispose ko na po ito, ma'am.
Assemble equipment and arrange them in the order of use. Rationally, organization facilitates efficient performance of the procedure. Next is performing hand hygiene, prevents the spread of microorganisms. Put on gloves and loosen all bed linens. Gloves prevent contamination and loosening linens prevents tearing and unnecessary strain. Fold reusable linens and place them on a clean chair. Saves time and energy when placing the linens. Roll soiled linens inward and place them directly into the laundry hamper. It helps prevent the spread of microorganisms. Place the draw sheet and protective pad in the center of the bed if needed. This protects the mattress and allows easier linen changes. Secure the bottom sheet and draw sheet under the mattress. It keeps the linen smooth and wrinkle-free for a patient comfort. Fanfold or pie-fold the top linens. It makes it easier for the patient to get into bed. Place the draw sheet and protective pad in the center of the bed if the patient needs it. Roll it until it reaches the center. Insert it inside the fanfold linen. And move to the other side and repeat what you have done. Do the exact thing on the opposite side. Tuck the top sheet and blanket under the foot of the bed and meter the corners. It keeps the linen securely in place. Fold the upper edge of the top sheet over the blanket to make a cuff. It makes it easier for the patient to use the bed covers. Put the blanket on top of the bed. Fix it until it is okay. Move to the other side and tuck it. Dispose of dirty linens. It should be according to agency policy. It prevents the spread of microorganisms. Put the pillowcase on the head of the bed. Promotes cleanliness, comfort, and proper bed appearance.